These spiral curls are just everything. We have a true luxury wig to unbox today. This is Raquel Welch's Romantic Renaissance. She is in the color RL1422S, which is SS Wheat. She is a full monofilament. Oh, I love the SS Wheat color. Look at that. Look at all that dimension. Now, I'm not going to brush out these curls because I'm going to want to do a full review of her on Wig Studio One's YouTube channel. So I won't brush out the curls until I do that. But just look at that dimension. Here is her amazing hairline, and she has a little bit of a root. So here is her monofilament. Here is the partially hand-tied part at the top. We have these nice ear tabs. You can take these off if you want. I really like to keep them. I think they're super comfortable. They have stays in them. Also, if you wanted to put a little tape right there, that's very nice. Now, here is your partially hand-tied portion. So there's wefts back there. We have this silicone again, which you can take off, and we have Velcro adjusters. This hand-tied cap is stretchy a little bit. It's so comfortable. Oh, look at those curls. Oh, I'm gonna want to brush those out a little, but she is adorable. Let me show you that hairline. Just amazing. Partially hand-tied caps and fully hand-tied caps are just the most comfortable caps on your head. Let me show you her all the way around. Look at all those curls. How fun is she? Heat-friendly fibers, so we can relax those curls a little bit if we want. Also part her wherever you want. Her bangs are 9 inches. Oh, I don't want to mess with that too. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I cannot wait to brush her out. Down 9 inches, which makes sense. You have your lob here, so you do have a little bit more length in the front. So the crown down is 13 inches. The nape is only 5.5. The sides are 9 inches. She also has the feather light fibers, and if you remember, those are actually hollow in the middle, which makes her feel really lightweight. She only weighs 3.9 ounces. This is the Luxe Light Cap 2. Shaded wheat coloring is a warm medium blonde with medium brown roots. Cannot wait to style this one. She is a cutie patootie. Does anyone own this one? Let me know. I'd love to see a picture in the comments. See what you've done with her, because there are so many possibilities with this one. So stay tuned for my full review on Wig Studio One's YouTube channel.